AOPS Volume 1 The Basics number 90. Find the 1275th digit of the series that's given. So, when I approach questions like these, I always like to simplify things because just like you, I do not like to waste time and to solve very complicated problems. And you can simplify this down very easily. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and 15. That is the series. And we want to find the 1275th digit of this series. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to label each one with an assignment of the place value. So this is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. There are 8 terms in each series. And we see here that for every turn that we go back to 1 will be 1 plus 8. So the next place value of n, so I'm going to call this the place value of n, where 1 will come up again, will be at the ninth place, whereas at the 17th place, at the 26th place, or we supposed to add 8, sorry. It's supposed to be ninth place, at the 17th place, at the 25th place, and so on. We just add 8 to find it. And we see here that there are 8 digits, so let's divide 1275 by 8. That gives us 8, 47, 9, not 9. That's very silly of me. Let's see. I think, let's see, that this gives us 47. So 6, you should get 5, 75, and 9 to give a remainder of 3. So what does 159 mean, and why did I divide it by 8? Because I know there are 8 digits in each series. So the number that I get, which is the result by dividing 1275 by 8, will be how many of these 8-digit series will have passed in 1275 numbers. So 159 series passed, and we are left with 3. So that means you had to go 1, 3, then 5, meaning our solution to this question will be 5. So when you approach questions like these, what do? Well, you simplify things down by getting your understanding of the question straight. Well, while you could have done what I first told you, you could have labeled each with a position number, and then you could have seen that each are a arithmetic sequence, but that would take a lot of time, and the arithmetic isn't really quite smooth. So dividing 1275 by 8, the number of digits within each series, will help you figure out how many of these series of 1, 3, 5, etc. to 15 have passed, with the remainder of 3, the remainder of 3 standing for how many more digits you must go after completing 159 series of the series. So our solution to this question will be 5.